Dawson, let's see mommy. Let mommy see you do your bouncing. Do your bouncing. Let's see you do it. Good job, honey. Good job. Hi, you're good. You are really good at the bouncies. Tell mommy how good you are. Tell mommy. Hi, Dawson. Let's see you bouncing. Ooh, that's good. Good job, honey. Let's see the bouncies. Let's see them. Dawson, bounce up and down. Good job, baby. Good job. See, I just ate my cereal. I'm getting ready for my bath, but I thought I'd stop and take a little break to bounce. Oh yeah, loving the bounce. Anything else, Dawson? Anything else?